Speak. Aibo, khuluma. Khuluma, khuluma. Your voice matters. Your heart matters. Your soul matters. Ima ulwe ungavumi. Ima ulwe muntu wesifazane ungavumi. You are stronger than you think. You are powerful than you feel. Though he battered you, but that does not make you weak. Though he strangles you, that does not make you weaker, but it makes you stronger because you stood. You are beautiful than what was done to you. It's not your fault. They weak. It had nothing to do with what you were wearing. You were stronger than you think, and they just the weaker side of what you were stronger in. Speak, I say, speak. Say something. Khuluma, khuluma muntu wesifazane, khuluma muntu wesilisa. Sukuma uzithathe. Speak and you will be heard. No, it was not your fault. No, you did not deserve it. Be bold because you carry gold. Kunzima kodwa engikwaziyo ukuthi nawe unzima. Ungathuli ngoba ukuthula kwethuna. Do not lose your voice because there's people that will listen. Young girls need your voice. Young boys need your courage. Women need your strength. Men need your ear. Khuluma, sukuma, khuluma. Culture might not stop you. Just because of my God, it doesn't mean that he must beat you up and do whatever he wants to do because you cannot stand. You are allowed to stand, and culture is not violence. Tradition must not stop you. And if you want to go and if you want to leave, leave. You are allowed to speak. You are worthy. You are important. Your voice is powerful. Stand, your feet are strong. Be bold. Be bold. Be